Hey there, investors. If you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for the next big thing in the world of investing. Well, recently there's been a lot of buzz surrounding one of the world's most famous investors, Warren Buffett, and his decision to invest in silver. That's right. The Oracle of Omaha has turned his attention to the shiny metal, and many are wondering if it's time to follow suit. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Buffett's investment in silver and explore whether or not you should consider adding it to your portfolio. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive into the world of silver investing. Warren Buffett's investment in silver certainly indicates that there may be some potential for returns. There are a few things to consider before jumping in. First, it's important to understand why Buffett chose to invest in silver in the first place. The main reason, according to Buffett himself, is that he believes the current economic climate makes silver an attractive investment opportunity. As we all know, we've been experiencing some economic uncertainty over the past few years, with stock markets being highly volatile and inflation rates on the rise. In this kind of environment, silver is often seen as a safe haven asset that can provide some stability to an investment portfolio. And make sure to check out the link in the description for more information on today's topic. Another thing to consider is that silver has a long history of being a valuable commodity. It's been used as currency for thousands of years, and it's still highly valued today for its use in jewelry, electronics, and other industries. So while silver may not be as glamorous as gold or other precious metals, it still has plenty of potential for growth and returns. That being said, it's important to keep in mind that investing in silver can be more volatile than other investments. The price of silver can fluctuate greatly, and it's not uncommon for it to experience sudden drops or spikes in value. This means that investing in silver should be seen as a long-term strategy, rather than a short-term way to make a quick profit. But with the current economic climate being what it is now really the right time to invest in silver? Well, it's no secret that we've been experiencing a lot of economic uncertainty lately. With inflation rates on the rise, stock markets being highly volatile, and ongoing geopolitical tensions, many investors are looking for ways to protect their portfolios. And that's where silver comes in. Silver is often seen as a safe haven asset because it tends to hold its value even when other investments are struggling. In fact, during times of economic turmoil, the price of silver tends to rise as investors flock to it as a store of value. This means that investing in silver could potentially provide some stability to your portfolio during uncertain times. However, it's important to keep in mind that investing in silver is not a foolproof way to protect your investments. As with any investment, there are risks involved. The price of silver can be volatile, and there's no guarantee that it will perform well in the future. So, is now the right time to invest in silver? Well, that's a question that's difficult to answer definitively. While the current economic climate does make silver an attractive investment option, there are other factors to consider as well. For example, the price of silver can be affected by a number of different factors, such as supply and demand, geopolitical tensions, and even shifts in consumer behavior. It's important to keep an eye on these factors when making investment decisions. Ultimately, whether or not you should invest in silver depends on your own personal investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a safe haven asset to provide some stability to your portfolio during uncertain times, then silver could be a good option. However, if you're looking for more aggressive investments, there may be other options that are better suited to your needs. Now, a lot of people are having a very interesting question. Is Buffett's move towards alternative investments a sign of a broader trend? Are we entering in a new era of investing? Well, it's certainly possible. As we all know, the investment landscape has been changing rapidly over the past few years. With interest rates at historic lows and stock markets being highly volatile, many investors are looking for new ways to diversify their portfolios and protect their assets. And that's where alternative investments come in. Alternative investments refer to any investment outside of traditional stocks, bonds, and cash. This can include everything from real estate and commodities to cryptocurrencies and hedge funds. One of the main benefits of alternative investments is that they can provide diversification to a portfolio. By investing in a variety of different asset classes, investors can spread their risk and potentially reduce volatility in their portfolios. Additionally, Many alternative investments have the potential to provide higher returns than traditional investments. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more investment insights. So, is Warren Buffett's move towards alternative investments a sign of a broader trend? It's certainly possible. As more and more investors look for ways to diversify their portfolios and protect their assets, alternative investments may become increasingly popular. But did you know that the world is becoming more environmentally conscious and that silver plays an important role in many green technologies? That's right, and this could potentially be a factor in the future price of silver. Silver is a key component in many green technologies, such as solar panels, electric vehicles, and batteries. For example, solar panels use silver in their conductive materials, while electric vehicles use silver in their electrical contacts. As the demand for these technologies grows, so too does the demand for silver. And this is where things get interesting. With the world becoming more environmentally conscious, the demand for green technologies is likely to continue growing. This means that the demand for silver could also continue to rise, potentially driving up its price. Additionally, there are also concerns about the future supply of silver. Many of the world's largest silver mines are located in countries with political instability or environmental concerns, which could potentially impact the supply of silver in the future. As supply becomes more constrained, this could also drive up the price of silver. Also, it's important to keep in mind that the future price of silver is difficult to predict. While the demand for silver and green technologies is likely to continue growing, there are many other factors that can impact the price of silver, such as supply and demand dynamics, geopolitical tensions, and even macroeconomic factors. Warren Buffett is known for his long-term investment strategy, and his recent investment in silver has raised some questions about whether he sees the metal as a good bet for the future. It's important to note that Warren Buffett is a value investor, meaning he looks for undervalued assets that have the potential to increase in value over the long term. And when it comes to silver, there are certainly some factors that could make it an attractive investment for the future. For one, silver is often seen as a hedge against inflation. As the value of currencies decreases over time due to inflation, the value of precious metals like silver can increase. Also, as we've discussed in previous videos, silver is an important component in many green technologies, which could drive up its demand in the future. Furthermore, Warren Buffett has often talked about the importance of diversification in an investment portfolio. By investing in silver, he may be looking to diversify his portfolio and protect his assets against market volatility. But it's also important to keep in mind that Warren Buffett has also been critical of gold and other precious metals in the past, saying that they do not have any productive use and that their value is based solely on supply and demand dynamics. Thanks for watching, investors. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your investment journey. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more investment insights and analysis. In our next video, we'll be exploring the new gold investment opportunities that are emerging in the 21st century. So, if you're interested in learning more about gold as an investment option, make sure to tune in. And as always, remember to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.